Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add photo on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end. To add photos on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on Saved option at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on plus icon and from the pop-up tap on Pin. Allow Pinterest to access to your photos and medias on your device by tapping on Allow. Choose a picture that you would like to post and tap on it. Enter title for your post, its description, link, pick a board, tag your topics and click on Create. This is how you can add photos on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.